Another day at Gene Johnson. Camaraderie. We look after each other as we work with respect, discipline, and skill. What is something that you love about your job?
I think offhand, the camaraderie we share. I think we have a really good group of guys with a vast array of knowledge in different fields, whether it be hydronic, rough-in plumbing, or really anything. So we have a great group of guys and better bunch of resources for all the techs to use to become better techs. Makes coming to work fun. So it's a good time.
Gene Johnson Plumbing and Heating. Clean, on time, and professional.